Hi guys, so in this video I would be talking about my new hair care, effective hair care routine by using the products of Just Herbs. So this is the condition of my hair right now. Also guys, our scalp takes a lot hot air from blow dry, chemical treatments, coloring, pollution, dust, oh god, what not. So yes, I have decided to use these products from Just Herbs. This is the first product and this is their hair oil. Let me talk about this hair oil first. This is known as Java Kusum. It is basically a hibiscus and rose mixtures. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the inner bottle, and it's a plastic bottle. I would be taking few drops and putting I would be oiling my hair. This hair oil is made up of Brinjraj Brahmi and Indian gooseberry. It has such a divine and soothing fragrance, guys. I just can't tell you. It's so aromatic. I would be putting the oil on the ends of my hair as well so that they could also get the nourishment of this oil. And also I would like to tell you this retails for 595 rupees and is 100 ml of a product in a bottle. And this is how the bottle looks like. It basically strengthens each and every strand of your hair. It has a goodness of hibiscus in it. It has a goodness of Brahmi and Indian gooseberry in it. So I have applied the oil and I would be keeping it overnight. I'll be tying up a bun now and I'll keep it overnight. The next product which I would be using is the mask, and this is called Shirolepam hair and scalp treatment mask, and it is for all the hair types. This is how the outer packaging is, and this is the inner tub, the tub which we have inside. This is how the tub looks like. It is a plastic tub, and I would be opening this up now, and this is how the mask look like. It's really very smooth texture mask. I would be taking a little by little on. I would be applying it onto each and every section of my hair. I would also give my hair a little massage using this mask, and yeah, this is how I have applied it all over my hair, and I would be applying it for around 20 minutes. And let me also tell you that you have to apply it on each and every strand. I would be applying it onto the roots and tip of my hair as well. This is how the tub looks like, and it has a goodness of amla, brinjraj and shankhupushpi. It nourishes, moisturizes and nurtures the scalp, also helps in restoring and regulating the scalp pH balance. It strengthens each and every hair strand and helps in promoting the hair growth. You just have to massage the mask into your scalp. Take a smaller section and work the massage downwards towards the tip of your hair. You can also do a hot towel treatment, and yeah, this is how soft the uh, the mask texture is. And yes, you can do the hot towel treatment. I'm staying in Mumbai, so I have avoided that because it's really very hot here in Mumbai. The texture of a mask is very smooth and it spreads like anything, guys. And yeah, it's so relaxing using all these products. And yes, I would be keeping it now for 20 minutes, and then I would be washing it off using this Lush shampoo by Just Herbs. It has a methi, shikakai, hibiscus and bee drum in it, and it is suitable for all hair types. This is how the bottle looks like. Extremely luxurious looking bottle. It comes in such a pretty looking bottle with a net weight of 200 ml. Not at all overpowering fragrance it has, and it has a goodness of methi and shikakai and strengthens your hair. Alright, so hair washing is done. Let me show you my hair now, guys. It's so soft. Look at my hair. Every strand is like very happy right now. I just love using all the products, and look at my hair, so soft. And yeah, so this is how my hair looks like. So guys, in all, I love all the products. Basically, my favorite is this mask. It's like a very nice mask. It gives you instant result. This one I really love because it has a goodness of amla, Shankh Pushpi and Brinjraj. It really strengthens your hair. About the oil, obviously I would be using it more, but in one use only I have got amazing results. Like generally I have a lot of hair fall, but after using these products now I have not got massive hair fall, and I would be using this like this would be in my hair care routine from now onwards. Every week I will be using it. And yes, this shampoo is like amazing shampoo. It has that fragrance which is not so much overpowering as well. It has hibiscus, wheat germ, vetiver, and it's suitable for all hair types. Beautiful, like amazing shampoo, guys. You should give it a try. Let me tell you one more thing. It will not lather on your much on your hair, but that doesn't mean that it is not taking out the impurities, and it is not giving effect on your hair. It is basically working on your hair. And one thing more, all these three products, they are natural, they are paraben and SLS free, and they are 99.2% natural. So yes, if they are natural, they should be there in my hair care routine. So yes guys, I think you must have like the review of all these products from Just Herbs. As much as I have loved to use them on my hair, I would really recommend all the three products to you guys. You can certainly check them out. The direct link is there in the description box below. You can go there and check it out. You can get all the details over there. And guys, believe me, this is a very good investment for your hair care, because your hair are as important as your face, as your skin. Yes. Alright guys, so I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, you have to give it a thumbs up. And yes, you can follow me on my Instagram page as well. I am really very active over there. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till my next video, you all take care. Bye bye.